हलचल हुई, जरा शोर हुआ, दिल चूर हुआ, तेरी ओर हुआ.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're watching my channel for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell button so that every time I upload a new video you will get notified. So I know I look a bit messed up, but here for today's video I'm gonna create a Diwali look. So this would be from top to bottom, everything from makeup to dressing up, everything. You all can see a little bit of hint going on here, so I'm just showing half of my outfit. But if you want to see my whole outfit, you have to stay till the end and watch the whole video. And let's get started. So for my skin prep, I'm using the Pond's Super Light Gel. So as you can see how much I've already emptied, because I really love using this moisturizer. So for the foundation, I'm gonna use my all-time Fit Me foundation. So I'm gonna take a little bit amount, because obviously for Diwali looks, I don't think so anybody likes to wear a lot of makeup, because I don't know, because for festive seasons like Diwali, I really like to minimize my makeup, especially my base makeup. So I'm gonna use the least of least products today. If anybody likes to go heavy, of course they can totally. So I'm gonna blend it. So you can also use Stove Cream if you don't want to go for foundation as a heavy base. You can use Stove Cream, it gives you glow from within kind of look. I don't have Stove Cream, or else even I would be using that. So I really need to get one. Do not forget your neck, okay? One more thing, I would be hosting a huge makeup giveaway if I reach 1000 subscribers. So people who haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, so that I can upload the gift, so I can put the giveaway as soon as possible for you guys, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. So I'm done with my foundation, so I'm gonna go in with my concealer. So starting from the inner corners to the outer corners. So this concealer which I use from Oriflame always appears to be very light on the camera. So it is not like that. It is just one shade lighter to my skin tone, but in camera it appears to look like 3 or 4 shades light, which is not the case. Before we proceed, I thought of moisturizing my lips. So I'm using a lip balm. So then by the time we apply lipstick, everything is fine. I'm gonna use the Fit Me loose powder. I'm in the shade light medium. I never skip using loose powder in any of my makeup, because I feel this totally changes your look. So I'm gonna go with a light hand. So I'm gonna use it all over my face, because I don't know, this gives you gives you a very beautiful coverage. Using my Wet n Wild contour powder. I know this is broken, that is why I can't show you fully. I really need to get another one, but right, I really like to get my things on sale. So unless it is not on sale, I'm not gonna buy it. I never skip contour, because I really think it really enhances your look. With this, I'm using the Wet n Wild contour brush. This also came in very cheap. Of course, not forgetting my forehead, because it's huge. So I just have only this blush from Sugar. It is Peach Plig, and I feel this really suits my skin tone, and it doesn't have shimmer, because of course everybody hates shimmer blushes. I know this is a very quick makeup look, because of course I'm gonna go in with, so I'm gonna do my eyes. So I'm using the Wet n Wild eyeshadow. Use this shade. So I'm gonna use this shade in my crease. So I'm wearing a pink outfit, like a muted rosy dusty pink sort of outfit. So I'm gonna work with pink shadows, and just on my crease I'm using kind of burnt orange shade. It is totally up to you. You can skip on eyeshadows and directly use those glitter shadows, you know, that really makes the work easy. I'll go in with this pink shade, if y'all can see this one. Now I am gonna use liquid eyeshadow, so I have 2 of these, so that this will really make our work very easy, and you know, it is gonna amp up the look. So as it is a pink dress, I'm gonna use a pink liquid glitter eyeshadow, and you would instantly see the results. I don't know if you can see, it has like, you know, amped up the look very well, and it likes, you know, looks very pretty also. Just like really love this. I think, you know, this eyeshadow is bomb, and I'm using Miniso's 1+1 eyebrow. So this is how it looks. It comes with a mini brush, so love it, and it also has a mirror. It's very cute, you know. I haven't got my brow done in like, you know, 8 months now, and I really miss going to parlors. I really miss my brow didi, but you gotta work it out, right? I'm also gonna use kajal because just a little bit on the outside of my waterline. I'm gonna try to work with eyelashes off camera, and I'll get back. So I am back with my lashes on. It took quite a while because, you know, these lashes have ruined. I've used them you know, too much, so I really get to, you know, get my hands on new lashes. So these are like giving problem in sticking, and so for the last thing I'm gonna use is highlighter. Of course, I just can't do without highlighters. And this is from the Wet n Wild Precious Petal. This is a beautiful shade, and is done. And lipstick, I don't have lipstick in this room, and so I have to manage. So I have these 3 minis from Just Herbs. I'll show you. So these are like, you know, those trial kind of lipstick they had sent me back in days. So I have those now. Full sizes are available on the website. So I'm gonna just work out with these lipstick, and I'm gonna use, of course, a pink shade to match my lehenga. So in cameras now, our lipstick appears to be into lighter shade, but this is again a beautiful pink plum shade, and we have completed our Diwali makeup look. You can wear this makeup look into card parties, into Diwali parties, or maybe at your home if you're hosting a party. And yeah, do not forget to accessorize, because Diwali is all about bling, glitter, shiny, colorful things. I'm gonna use these earrings because they are just too blingy and too perfect for my lehenga. These are from H&M, so you can find them out. They just look too perfect. I mean, you know, so of course I'm not gonna wear anything on my neck or any mang tika or anything, because these are like statement earrings. They are too much in the eyes and they are quite big. That is all. That is how I'm gonna complete my look. And yes, now I'm gonna show you my whole look.
ऐसी चली जब हवा, इश्क हुआ ही हुआ। ऐसी चली जब हवा, इश्क हुआ ही हुआ। इश्क हुआ, इश्क हुआ।
So that's all for today's video, and if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video with your friends. And please, people who haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'm gonna host an amazing makeup giveaway if I reach 1000 subscribers. And happy Diwali to you and your family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.